Good evening, my name is Marlene. Ginamit ko yung products to gain weight before. Maraming health problems like constipation, irregular menstruation, dysmenorrhea, back pain, and arthritis. But using the product, lahat ng health problems ko na correct and I gained 1 inch on my waist and in 18 pounds!
Hello everyone, my name is Monique. I'm 16 years old. I've been using the product since I was 8. So dati, meron akong UTI, amoebiasis, dehydrated ako, and meron akong acute bronchitis. 1 week on the program, nawala lahat ng health problems ko. In my first 7 days, I already gained 7 pounds. And now, a total of 37 pounds!
Hi, I'm Ryan. I'm very new to the products. Before, I was 145 pounds. I was drinking a lot, eating a lot. Sa buffet, sa inuman, present ako palagi. I was depressed, so I took the products and I lost a total of 8 pounds and 3 inches of the waist.
Wow.
Good evening everyone, I'm Roy. I used the product to gain weight. 2 weeks ako sa products, I gained 7 pounds. A total of 15 pounds na ngayon. Then, as a bonus, nagmamarathon na ako ngayon.
Hi, I'm Nelson. I use the product to maintain. Before, malaki ang aking bilbil. So, I use it for about 2 months. Now, it's gone. I lose about 10 pounds also.
So, hi, my name